Hi there, and welcome aboard. We want to thank you for viewing our best easy work opportunity. You will soon realize how lucky you are, so please listen up here. You're about to see a system that delivers the client to you for free. I repeat, for free. And you're going to get pretty excited once you see our powerful pay plan. Take 5 minutes to learn how easy you can be up and running in no time. We promise. There are no rags to riches stories, and we will get straight to the point. In today's economy, we need an immediate solution for everyone. We are currently looking for people to start immediately and that like to get paid daily. Our marketing strategy will pay you daily to offer a free website setup to our members. We offer you a free instant personalized website setup to help you get started today. If you're not earning at least $500 per day every day, please listen up. The sooner you apply, the sooner you start earning some excellent money. Our powerful program delivers clients to you for free. Remember, we are here to help you, and we are only a phone call away. Most importantly, don't forget, you get paid daily. Any questions, please pick up the phone and call us directly. We are more than happy to help you, because your success is in our best interest. To start enjoying the success you deserve, simply request your free website to get you started today. This program can put money in your pocket on a daily basis, and you never have to speak to anyone. The owner handles all the inbound calls. There is no selling, no driving, or hassles to deal with here. He enrolls them for us, and then he sends us instant payments. We are not kidding here, folks. We have members who never made any sales online, making money with us from day one. We have got the key here. Martin is the owner, and this guy can bring home the sales for you. We're telling you, if you leave this page, you are walking away from probably your only chance from ever making money online. We are serious here, folks. We kid you not. This program is phenomenal. People make money almost on a daily basis and get paid instantly. It's unbelievable. Simply follow the instructions. The free training here is worth thousands. You can join for free. You have absolutely no excuses. Martin has already written all the ads for you, so you're ready to go. This program is absolutely priceless. When your members earn money, you too earn money. Just incredible. Our members are so excited about our program, they can't sleep. Okay, here's Martin. You want to get to know Martin. This is the guy that's going to be stuffing your pockets with money. Free option, like we said. You'll make money with this program unless you don't act. It's like driving a car. If you don't put gas in it, your car will not run. Simply sign up and follow our instructions, and the money is gonna flow in. We even have a special bonus for first-time visitors. So review the site. Call Martin directly. He's more than happy to talk to you. We thank you for your time, and we are telling you, you have landed on your opportunity to finally have online success. We look forward to working with you. Best easy work. Easy $500 plus days. See how this guy made $4,980 in one day.
So $4,980 came in today. Talk about powerful, best easy work, it works. Let Martin close your sales for you. He's damn good at it, as you can see. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Brad, and what I want to ask you to do is please turn off any distractions. If you have a TV in the room, turn off your cell phone, because I think a lot of people are not understanding just how powerful the best easy work compensation plan is. And today I'm just going to do a real short video, but I'm going to explain to you how this thing is just insanely powerful and how you can make a lot of money by recruiting free and lower end members. Okay, first of all, I just want to explain. Let's say, for instance, let's take the $1,000 as our example. I'm going to look right here on level 5, $1,000. If you're a $1,000 member, you get $750, okay? So every time you bring in a $1,000 member, you make $750. Now, let me tell you something. You got a free member here, and he's a good marketer, but he's just, a little bit down on his luck and doesn't have enough money to join. So he comes in for free, and he brings in a $1,000 member. Now this is where it gets real powerful, so tune in on me. He makes $25. Now remember I said the actual commission on that is $750? Now you take $25 away from $750 and you just made $725 from your free members' efforts. I don't know if you guys have seen my video, but I had the $4,980 day. On that particular day, my roll-ups, these are not even people, I didn't even know these people. They were marketed to by somebody else. Free members, $88 members, $188 members. They were marketed and sent to me, these roll-ups. I had on that $4,980 day, probably close to $4,000 of that money was roll-ups. This thing is powerful. It's just absolutely unbelievable. Get started today. Best Easy Work. This thing can put money in your pocket from so many different areas. Thanks for checking it out. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
You know, free is always great. However, if you want to earn some serious cash, you need a big ticket item as well. So just put yourself in position. This is all about you. Unfortunately, many people do not understand they must pay for their success and end up walking to their destination. Everyone who is successful has paid a price. Either they pay for an education, licensing, partnership, or ownership to be in position to receive. To expedite your success, simply plug in. If you want to get on the bus, you have to buy the bus ticket. This is why Best Easy Work works. Something for everyone. Your low ticket members will always find your big ticket members with no additional effort. Did you get that? There's no additional cost or effort on your part. Others will do the work for you. You must put yourself in position to receive and give others the same opportunity. The system works, people. Treat yourself to success today.